Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Women Gupshup. We all have heard this term, boys will be boys. But why don't we have girls will be girls? So this is a line which makes you think that what can be the reason for this? Because since childhood, these things are feeded that, you are a girl, you have to adjust. I wanted to talk about this, because I felt that, these things you know carry forward. They start from childhood and then they get carry forward in the youth, and then it gets carry forward to the old age also. Because if you see that, in childhood also, in childhood girl is told that, you should not wear this, and girls should sit like this, you should not go out after 8 p.m. These things are happening. Boys will be boys. What if they are screaming? Boys will be boys. What if they are drinking and, they are creating a scene in a party in front of you, and you can't do anything? You just have to say, no, no, don't do this. Come home. Come, we will go home. Come. Nothing has happened. Nothing has happened. And you feel ashamed. He is creating the drama, and you feel ashamed because boys will be boys. This and if you are creating boys will be boys, definitely you should create girls will be girls also, because that is very very important. People come to you and they have guts to tell you that you have some problem, that's why your partner is looking out for someone. Is it really worth, how can you say that? So this was my concern. So these were the things I wanted to talk about, because these things are happening around us, and it starts from childhood. So it's very very important. If you are telling your boys that boys will be boys, then please tell your girls that please tell your boys that girls will be girls. They have to adhere to this line that girls will be girls. Who is saying girls will be girls? Nobody is saying girls will be girls. Why don't we say that? Why don't we say that too often? It is a foundation which they have to live in, that you can't go out, you can't do this, because what if boy is doing, he's a boy now, he can do. And you'll be surprised to know that these things are still happening. Yes, I have seen them, people who work at my place, when I talk to them, they told me that this is the current situation. 60 to 70% still situation is same. Maybe we are living in the rest of 30%, but 60 to 70% situation is still the same, and we need to change that. So how can we change that? Whenever you see a situation where you feel that this line girls will be girls is required, please say that. So I wanted to talk about this, and if you like my video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to click the bell icon, because it will give you my regular video updates. Thank you so much. Ciao.